In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create the viral AI video of you eating large food in a competition. Yes, I believe a lot of you have been seeing these videos going around on social media, and you can see how far these videos are going. You can see that these videos are actually getting attention these days. Now, in case you're not a foodie but you actually want to create this kind of content, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to create that kind of content. And one good thing about it is that this is one of the simplest content to create with AI these days. So now, look at this here. If you can take a good look at this TikTok account, this is a brand new TikTok account, and you can see the visibility that account is getting, and you can see how far that account has gone just creating viral video of her eating different kind of food. Now, one thing you should keep in mind is that these videos are getting the attention. Now, the first step in creating these videos has to do with your prompt generation. Yes, you have to get your prompt right for your videos to be okay. Now, if you know how to write a prompt, there is no problem. You can actually go ahead and write your prompt. But if you don't know how to write a prompt, that is not a problem. Just go ahead, go to any account, go to any social media, look for any of those videos, capture an image of someone eating large food, take the image to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you the full description of that image. So ChatGPT is going to give you the full description of that image. All you need to do is take the prompt to any image generating app. You can use ChatGPT or any image generating app, add your own image and then generate your own image. I'm going to be sharing the prompt I use in creating this video in my Telegram channel, and I'm going to be adding the channel in the description box below. So do well to join the channel so that you can get access to all the prompts I use in creating this video. The second step in creating this video has to do with generating the image. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I use ChatGPT in generating this video because ChatGPT gives you high quality images and it also comes without watermark. You can actually use any image generating tool of your choice. You can use Midjourney, Clean AI, Hydra AI, Google Gemini, any of those is okay. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be using ChatGPT. I'll just open ChatGPT. So once I open my ChatGPT, I'll click on where I have create image, and then I'm going to be pasting my prompt here. I'll paste my prompt, and then please don't forget to include a 16:9 aspect ratio. That is if you want to post your video on YouTube, or if it's TikTok or Instagram, you can you use 9:16 aspect ratio. So after pasting my prompt, I'll click on the plus sign to select the image that I want to use for the creation. So I'll click on the send button and send it. Then I'll give ChatGPT a little bit of time to create my image. All right, so image is ready. So once our image is ready, you click on it and check and be sure everything is okay. But I noticed something here. The two chili peppers are in front of this place, and okay, we can still make do with the image like this. So what you need to do is just click on where I have save and save your image. The third step is the video creation, and we're going to be using Grok AI. Right now, Grok AI is more or less free because you can create between 15 to 50 videos depending on the country where you are creating Grok from, and it comes without watermark. To open Grok, sign up account if you have not done so. Click on where I have create videos, and once it opens, click on where I have animate photo, see all, and then select that image that we just generated. After selecting that image, then you place these prompts. They are seriously eating the food, no talking, just eating, and then you send it and give it a little bit of time to generate. All right, the video is ready. Let's see. So click on the download button to download your video. So the next thing I'll do is to add this image to my CapCut so that I'll be able to capture the last frame. So I will capture this last frame. I'll screenshot it and then crop it to capture the last frame. Then I'm going back to crop. I'll come out here, then select that image I just screenshotted now. Select the image, and then I'll add the prompt I just added now. I'll add that prompt and then give it time too. So this is just the way you're going to continue to generate your videos, to continue to do it until you get to the last, until they finish the food on the plate. So if it's the robot I want to win the challenge, then I'll still download this video. I'll download this video and add it again to my CapCut to get the last frame. So I'll capture the last frame again and crop it again. So I'm going back to my Grok. I will select the image that I just screenshotted now, that particular one, the last one I screenshotted. I will select it and then add that same prompt and then send it in. So you download the video too, add it, and then go back to your CapCut and add it to your CapCut. So this is just how you're going to be doing it. So maybe nearing the end of the when the food is about to finish, you cannot say the robot should finish the food on her plate before the human. So something like that, you just add it. So let's just continue. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. You can tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying what we learned in this tutorial, and if you do, how it came out. Then the last step of this tutorial is compilation of our video, and we are using CapCut in doing so. All you need to do to edit this kind of video is very simple. You just need to cut and join all the areas that the AI didn't perform well and do it in such a way that everything looks smooth. Let's see it. All right, so the last step is editing your videos. So you just walk through your videos. If there's any aspect of it that is not correct, you just edit it out. Like, let me show you something. Just watch this one. All right, let's just see this. So you see where the robot is picking from that plate. So I'm going to cut there off. So meaning that I'll stop this video here and then I'll cut it out from here. I'm going to cut it out and then I will delete this part, and then this is where I'll be screenshotting the next video that I'm going to generate, so which is likely going to be the last one. I'll screenshot it here and then regenerate it. So this is just how you're going to do it. Once you're done generating your last clip, then you add it up, and then let's see the video, the complete clip, and see how it is. So all you need to do after generating and getting, let's just watch through it and see the final edit we got. So if after watching it you feel that they are too fast in any of the clip, you can regenerate it and make it slower. You understand? You can regenerate it. So this is just how you can do your video. You can get everything correctly, and then once you're done, you can add sound effect. You can, okay, the video already came with a sound effect, so no need of adding sound effect. You can add music or background music, and then you upload your video and post it. So that is just it on how to do this. Don't forget, I remain Akugoma, your one and only editing lioness. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.